Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a win it before you can buy it. So yes, this is another of Sandy's digitals. She does not have it released in her shop or store yet. So you guys, I did show you a sneak peek a few days ago. So it is a win it before you can buy it event. So she won't have this up in her store until probably in a couple or more days, maybe in a week or so. So if you guys are interested in winning this digital, you guys know basically you guys have to go over to Sandis' channel. You know, make sure you are subscribed to her, you are subscribed to my channel, and let me show you what I ended up creating. Okay, so look at this, you guys. So with the digital, I ended up creating this, and I actually used two of the separate sheets. So I went ahead and used this one right here, and this one is another one on the bottom. I did cut the lady off, and she is not popped up because I figured whenever if you fill it up with anything, it's gonna probably get stuck. So I just left it like that, and I just glued her on there. I did have this extra key that I was lucky enough to find in my stash, and I also had this trim. Oh my goodness, this came along so nicely and quickly, and I love how it came about. I also have this one that I ended up creating with the die I also had in my stash, and of course this is part of the card parts, this one as well. And then I'll show you on the back right now, but I did cut these. Okay, I ended up cutting these on the sides, and I'll show you what I did. If you guys could see, I did some sewing right here. So this is what it looks like. So this is what is on the other side, but of course it is decorated. So I did do the layering down the bottom, and then I layered this on the top. I also did the same thing where I put the, I don't know if you guys could see the back, it's this digital right here. I put it in the back, and then I put the top part of this one right on the top, on the there you go, sorry you guys. And there I did the same thing to that, and I just put this little cute little ribbon, and I thought it was so cute. I made this rosette, and I thought she was so cute. I did not want to add any more onto her. I just thought she just says it all right there. Isn't she cute? So there you go. There's my other one right there. Let me see if I can stand her. No. There you go. I didn't finish the bottom part, so I do apologize for that, you guys. I'll probably put something on there. I will have to end up. And this one is my last one, you guys. I thought this was the cutest. I had just gotten this die, and I felt like I needed to use it. And what the perfect way of using it. And look at you guys. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. So I went ahead and used the digital on the bottom. I did pop it up. I don't know if you guys could see that. Oh, you guys could probably see a little shadow right here. I did pop this up, okay, and then I did put some stickle on the flower, and then on, I don't know if you guys could see that, it's a layered, it's kind of like a card. It's layered, so I went ahead and put that one on top. I went ahead and put the bicycle, and all these are also part of the cut aparts. I ended up making these flowers from extra paper that I had, and there you go. And then I put some oh my goodness, sequins right there. There you go. And then I put this butterfly. Of course, I also did the butterfly from extras from the paper that was left over. And this is what it looks like, you guys. Oh my goodness. So I hope you guys like this. So if you guys are interested in winning this digital, make sure you put Für Elektra Digital. I will also pick a winner for these beautiful creations that I created with the super beautiful digital. For this one, I will also pick a lucky winner from my comments. Make sure you are a US resident for this this one right here. Shipping is too expensive for out of state. The digital, you could be out of state, that's no problem, but for the physical, this physical items, US only, please. So again, link everything down under the description below. You guys go over to each and everybody's that's on the design team's channel. Make sure you guys go over, support them. They will also be holding their own giveaways, I hope. Well, there'll be basically you guys have so many chances to win the digital if you guys are interested. So and for my project, well, you only have a chance with me. So anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Actually, I'll be coming back in a few days with the digital winner and the winner for this creation that I created. Thank you again. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.